Hyperlinks in projects. There may be times when you would like to refer to a particular document or folder outside of Expert Estimation. This can be done by inserting a hyperlink within the project notes. Let's see how to set this up. Select and right-click on the text, and then select Hyperlink. You can click here to navigate to the particular document. Double-click or click on Open to select it. Click on OK and you're done. That document may now be opened by holding down the Control key while clicking the text as indicated here. You may link to a website, but you may also link to a folder by entering in the address of the folder here. See the hyperlink will now open that folder. You can set up hyperlinks in the opening note as well. To find out more about this feature, have a look at the relevant links provided in the description box below. Our in-house customer support specialists are here to help you 24/7 every day of the year.